Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh and in this quick video, I'll show you how to mine Flux coin. As you already know, from couple of weeks, Flux coin is quite profitable and it's next to Ethereum means as you can see on our whattomine.com, Flux coin is number 2 if we talk about the profitability. So it's come in a second position. So I'm getting lots of comments like, and many people wants to know how to mine a Flux coin. So in this quick video we'll show how to start mine Flux coin. I have divided this process in a 3 part. It's very simple. Step 1 is create a wallet. You can simply download Flux official wallet from this website zelcore.io. If you scroll it down, here you have option to download for Android, iPhones, and here for the PC you have option to download it and install it for Windows, Mac and Linux. But my personal suggestion is keep your money with the exchange so that you can convert your mining payment into your local native currency like USD or any other currency. So you can open your wallet with the exchange. For this, you can open your account with the Stacks or any other service provider, any other exchange who provide Flux wallet. You can open your account with that exchange. Currently, I'm using Stacks. I'll mention all the required links which is mentioned in this page. You can find all these details in a description box of this video. So no need to worry about this. So after opening an account with the Stacks or any other service provider, you will get your crypto wallet address for Flux coin. Keep that address with you. Step 2 is download mining software. This miner is from 2miners.com. I'll share the link of this as well. Download the miner. After that, extract it. I already having this, so I'm just going to cancel it. I already have it in my downloads. Let's extract it. Once you will try to extract it, it will ask for the password and the password is 2miners. Now here is the folder. Open this. Now here you have option for the AMD, Monero, Nvidia. I'm having an Nvidia card. I'm opening this folder and find this flux-zel, then pool.bat, right click and click on edit. Now here you need to change the wallet address. Make sure to change the wallet address where you want to receive your mining payment, and here you can change the name of your computer or your rig and then click on save. After that you can just simply double click it to start the mining. If you want to check your payment details and your threshold limit and how much speed you are getting online, all the things you can trace by clicking on edit and copy this address on where you are just mining and paste it on a Chrome. It will open this 2minus.com. Here you need to put your wallet address and click on search. So here you will get your complete detail, how much hash speed you are getting and what is the unpaid balance and what are the current speed you are getting. All the things will show you, but it will show after 15 minutes once you start the mining. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So have a patience and check after 15 minutes only. So guys, this was a very simple process. I'll mention all the required details in a description of this video. So if you are liking my work and effort, so as your appreciation, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.